Hi, I'm Terry, and welcome to my weight loss journey.
Good morning. This is what I'm wearing today. I got a skirt that I got on Amazon. It's actually stuff I've had for a while. Except this, I think I got this at the thrift store. But anyway, so I got a skirt on today and a hat and a tank top that I've had forever. But it was too snug to wear. So I've got several tank tops that I haven't been able to wear because they were too tight. So now I can wear them. So anyway, this is what I'm wearing today. And there's my boots. I wear boots all the time, it seems like. And now I'll show you. I got my wet hair. Show you what I mean.
Breakfast is my usual yogurt and cottage cheese and my chicken sausage. It's definitely thin. Yeah, as soon as I run out of these, I'm going to chicken or something. Lunch today is that chicken bars that I made, and then zucchini, 130 grams of zucchini with the tahini on it. And I got a cup of tea going. I'm kind of having some it's like mental fog. I'm not sleepy. There's literally nothing else going on. Just like my brain is having trouble focusing. So anyway, so that's what I'm having. If I mess anything up in the recording today, just bear with me.
Hey, I'm home. I've got my 80-20 ground beef mixture. I'm going to put it, I nuked it already for about 2 minutes. I'm going to put in some sugar-free, sweet, and spicy G-Hughes. You see a serving is 2 tablespoons. And so I'm going to pop it on here. Now, once again, you could do whatever for your family with their ground beef. You can make burgers. You can make some kind of spaghetti, I don't know, whatever people make. But just pull out yourself a certain amount of ground beef, and you can flavor yours up a whole different way from them. So that's what I'm having in that. I'm going to microwave it for another 30-40 seconds. And then I've got another, I cut that cucumber in half that was left. It's 243 grams of cucumber. So I'm going to zero this out, and I'm going to add some of the raspberry vinaigrette Walden Farms to it. 30 grams it says. You know, I got to use up all my salad dressings now since I'm not doing salads because I get the carb creep whenever I do. All right. I'm going to put a little salt on it. To go with that. And you know me, I'm going to put a little bit of sesame seeds. Just a little bit. Just about that much. I'll make it into something fancy. Because, you know, carb creep. I got to get it one way or the other. Ha! Just kidding. So I'm going to put this on. I'm going to shake this little booger up. Now, I have not tried this, so it might be nasty. So I better taste it in front of y'all so I can tell you don't do it. Which, by the way, don't freeze your yogurt and cottage cheese like I did. I mean, I did, so I'm going to eat it, and it is what it is, and that's what I did, so I'm going to eat it, but don't do it. At first, it wasn't so bad, but it's just so thin, I have to drink it, and it's like, ew. So anyway, it tastes fine. It's just texture. Oh, wait, no, I know this will be good. Oh, holy smokes. That wasn't smart. This is what I want to taste and see if this is good. All right. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. I mean, really, you can't go wrong with raspberry vinaigrette. So that's going to be my supper. I got to get that plugged into chronometer. And that's what I'm eating. 6 ounces of 80-20. 243 grams of cucumber. 1 serving of the G-Hughes. And 1 serving of the Walden Farms. That's my supper. And have a good eat. Boy, that's a big head. You can probably see right up my nose. There we go. Have a good evening. Look, I got on Cardinals tonight. I don't even watch baseball, but shh. I had to go over to the neighbor. Really great kid. He's going to be picking up my dog poop for me. And so I wanted to go give him his payment. And so I couldn't go out in my pajama shirt and pajama shorts. So I was like, let me at least look like I have some kind of sense, you know. So, yeah. So I'm like, well, this is a normal shirt. So I wore this to go deliver his money. But anyway, go Cardinals. I'm a Missourian, so go Cardinals. But, you know, whatever. Go whatever team you like. Bye. Hey, you can see my calories are 1250-ish. But with yesterday being 1700, it balanced each other out. That's my opinion anyway.